My name is Catherine and I'm a craftaholic. Welcome to my craft room and my channel. Hi everybody! Welcome back. This is gonna be another short episode, and not because it is too hot in my craft room, but because I have a lot to do today and actually not that much to share with you. Sometimes life just gets in the way, and yeah, that was absolutely the case also last week. And also, I've been squirreling. I have lost my focus and I have been doing a little bit of a lot of different things, and I'm not making any progress. So I have no FOs, and I do have a lot of whips, and some of those whips have been on my whips list for too long. I need to finish them, and that is where I'm gonna ask for your help. I need some motivation, and what better motivation than to make a promise to you guys. So this was my idea, and I'm just not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna ask you guys, my lovely subscribers and viewers, to choose one of the 3 projects that I'm gonna show you that I have to finish by next week. Now, because I say by next week, I only have a very short amount of time to finish it. So I am gonna say that Saturday is when I'm gonna be looking at the comments and looking at what the project will be. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna do it with a random comment picker, or if I'm just gonna take the thing that has the most views. The things that has the most votes. I'm just making this up on the spot. Let's say I'm gonna look at what has the most votes. If I have a draw, I'll use a random comment picker. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the 3 projects. One of them will be finished by next week, and you guys are choosing which one it will be. Deal? Ooh! I'm hoping I'm not putting myself on the spot here. Who knows, I might pull an all-nighter the night before. Nah, it's not gonna be that bad, I think. Okay, so let's start. First project. My painting. Now this might not look like it's gonna be a lot of work, but it is. It needs a lot of different layers. So project 1 is the painting. Project 2, and I know who's gonna vote for this one. The lily necklace. I was working on it, and then I got into some technical difficulties, and I'll show you what those difficulties were. He's the cutest, sweetest cat ever, but when he decides that I'm not going to continue working on my project, I'm not continuing. So, so far, I managed to finish one more petal, and I started the last petal. Still a lot of work to do, but if you guys think this will be the most challenging, I think. So project 2 is the lily necklace. And then project 3, the Viewmaster bag. Now this has been a whip for quite a while, and I really need to get a move on these bags also, but I need to do everything. I want to do everything. And incidentally, I'm not affiliated, but I just love their t-shirts. Now this is so me, and this is so the situation my current situation. So I'm sorry, this is a bit chaotic. Project 1, the painting. Project 2, the lily necklace. And project 3, the Viewmaster bag. Which one needs to be finished by next week? Let me know. Now, to be honest, I am not the only one to blame for my squirreling. Nope. There are just too many fun things going on right now. And one of those fun things just finished. It was the make along, the Shall We Fudge It, from Debbie the Canadian Crocheter and J Hook Crochet and More. And now J Hook Reggie, in cooperation with Crochet Rossetti and Sis Homemade, started a new crochet along, and this is gorgeous, you guys. Check it out. This shawl design, this pattern, is made by Sis Homemade. Isn't that beautiful? It's the Sis Love half circle shawl, and they are part of this part of the Facebook group where you can ask questions if you need help, and well, the designers, but also the whole community is there to help you if you need to, because it is with charts, and I know that for some people that is challenging, but I have to say the charts are very clear, the instructions are good. I have started it. I'm not far yet because it just started on July 1st. This is how far as I got. And I am using the Specials Amazing Cake. Sorry for the ring light is washing out. I'm so sorry. The ring light is washing it out. So it's Amazing Cakes by Allison and May. This is a yarn that you can find at Action. So it's only for Europeans, I'm sorry. And it's like the happiest whirls. It's four very thin plies of cotton, slightly twisted together. It's you have to be very careful not to miss a thread, but I love how it works out, and I can wait to continue working on it. But like I promised, first I need to finish one of the projects that you guys and that's basically it for this week. The kittens have left me and their mommy, and they are now very, very happy in their new forever home with their new family. They are doing very well, and I'm sure I'm gonna be able to update you with some pictures later on, but they are doing awesomely well, and their new families love them. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys because, like I said, I have a ton of things to do. My boys are going camping, and you know, that takes a lot of preparation. I am very happy that I have animals to tend and that I don't have to go with them because camping is not my day. Okay, so as always, I thank you all for watching and liking and commenting. I know I'm behind on my comments again. I am so sorry. I try to do better. But thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're not, don't hesitate to hit the subscription button and the like button. And if you feel like it, share my videos. It's really appreciated. I wish you all a very good day, night, evening, morning, whatever the time is when you are watching this. And of course, as usual, I leave you with this completely useless fact, and that is that there is not one bridge over the whole Amazon River. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Bye. Project 2. And I know who is gonna vote for this one. Oh, painting is not staying up.